Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a free workout tracker? Lyfta and Hevy are two of the top choices right now. Both apps let you track workouts without spending a dime, but which one is actually better? Let's break it down. First up, we have exercise libraries. Lyfta crushes it here with over 5,000 exercises, plus they include HD video guides for almost everything, showing you exactly how to do each move. Hevy has around 400 exercises, which is still solid but nowhere near what Lyfta offers. If you're a beginner who needs help learning moves, Lyfta wins this round. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both apps have free versions, but the limits are different. Hevy's free plan caps you at 4 workout routines and 7 custom exercises. That means that might be fine if you stick to basic workouts. Lyfta gives you unlimited routines for free, no cap, and that's a huge advantage if you like variety. What about staying motivated? Well, Hevy shines with its social features. You can follow friends, like their workouts, and even copy their routines. It's like Instagram for lifting. Lyfta also has community features and monthly challenges, but Hevy's social side feels more active and engaging. Both apps track your progress really well. You get charts, graphs, and personal records to see your gains. Hevy's free version only shows 3 months of data history. Want to see progress from 6 months or a year ago? You'll need to upgrade. Lyfta doesn't lock your history behind a paywall, which is nice. You can look back at any workout from any time period completely free. Speaking of upgrades, Hevy Pro costs $3 a month and Lyfta Premium runs a bit higher but offers a 2-week free to try it out. Both unlock extra features like advanced stats and more custom options. So, which app should you choose? Pick Lyfta if you want more exercises, unlimited routines, and full history. Pick Hevy if social features and community motivation matter most to you. Both are excellent trackers, you really can't go wrong with either one. Now, get out there and start lifting.